neighbors, we knew each other. Before the lines, we crossed the sea.
From Lau, where the sun cuts stone, we learned to stand on reef and bone. Not borrowed names, not words, our truth was sung before it was heard.
From Gau, where the mountains breathe, roots run deep underneath our feet. They try to tell us who we are, but the sea remembers further than scars.
We are not lost,
we are not few, we are carried by the VU. We don't meet, we remember.
same spirit, same fire, same ember. Tall, loud, stand tall, you touch my land, you touch us all.
TAUVU across Lau and Gau, they can't divide us now.
TAUVU across Lau and Gau, they can't divide us now.
TAUVU across Lau and Gau, they can't divide us now. They wrote us small in foreign ink. Measured our lives, told us how to think.
But joking rights and sacred ties don't live in laws, they live in eyes.
You take my food, I take no offense. That's not theft, that's inheritance.
TAUVU bond, no need to prove. Same blood talking through the VU.
Not museum words, not frozen time. We are living men.
Same spirit, same fire, same ember. TAUVU, loud, stand tall, you touch my land, you touch us all.
TAUVU, TAUVU,
Before your flags, before your crowns, we name the stars, we cross the ground.
Don't call us broken, don't call us gone. We are Lau, we are Gau, we carry on.